Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. So, what is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button to subscribe to Pi News World. And also click like, comment and share. Come in the comment section and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh, wow, Pioneer, did you know? You are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency because of PiNetwork. As of today, you are a millionaire. 11.6 million Pi deposited on OKX exchange. What does it mean for PiNetwork's future? In a significant development for PiNetwork, over 11.6 million Pi has been successfully deposited onto the OKX exchange, marking an important milestone in the project's journey. This move signifies not just a growing confidence in Pi as a legitimate digital asset, but also opens the door to its broader acceptance within the global cryptocurrency market. The impressive number of Pi coins now circulating on a major exchange like OKX is a clear indication of the increasing trust in the PiNetwork. As PiNetwork moves closer to the launch of its open mainnet on February 20, 2025, this large-scale deposit provides an important signal. Pi is no longer a mere experiment or speculative token. It is emerging as a serious contender within the world of cryptocurrencies. For Pi's early adopters, known as pioneers, this development is a long-awaited affirmation. Those who have patiently mined Pi over the years, with the belief that the project would eventually break into the mainstream, are now witnessing tangible proof that their investment is beginning to pay off. With the increasing visibility of Pi in major exchanges, the network is on track to achieve its long-anticipated goal of mainstream cryptocurrency adoption. The deposit of 11.6 million Pi into OKX raises important questions about the potential for Pi coin's value to increase. As Pi becomes more tradable, especially on a platform as well known as OKX, its price will now be subject to the forces of supply and demand. A growing number of exchanges listing Pi coin, coupled with an increase in Pi transactions, could create significant upward pressure on its price, especially once the open mainnet officially launches. Historically, cryptocurrencies have seen price fluctuations based on key events such as exchange listings or network upgrades. The introduction of Pi coin into a major exchange like OKX could trigger a period of heightened trading activity, with both speculators and long-term investors eager to acquire the coin. If demand outstrips supply, Pi's value could experience rapid growth. This makes the situation particularly interesting for Pi holders, who may be looking to maximize their returns once the market opens up fully. What this means for PiNetwork's long-term prospects. Beyond the price speculation, the deposit of 11.6 million Pi into OKX signals a key moment in PiNetwork's larger vision. For a cryptocurrency to thrive, it must be integrated into global financial systems, allowing for seamless exchanges and transactions. The fact that Pi is being deposited into one of the largest and most respected exchanges in the world is a significant step toward making that vision a reality. With the ongoing development of PiNetwork's ecosystem, including the much-anticipated open mainnet launch, this deposit marks an important phase in the network's transition from a closed beta to an open, accessible network. It suggests that Pi is ready to move from being an internal, isolated system into a fully fledged cryptocurrency with a broader scope and appeal. This transition is also vital for Pi's role in the global economy. As more exchanges list Pi and more users gain access to it, the network becomes more liquid and easier to use for everyday transactions. This means that Pi could eventually be used as a legitimate currency for purchasing goods and services, potentially competing with other leading cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Looking ahead, the successful deposit of Pi onto OKX is just one piece of the puzzle. While this event demonstrates Pi's growing influence, the real test will come after the open mainnet launch. The market's ability to respond to Pi's true value will depend on the network's ability to provide consistent utility, secure transactions, and scalability. In the short term, Pi's value could experience volatility as more users engage with the coin, but in the long run, It may become a key player in the digital currency ecosystem. As Pi's utility grows, particularly with its planned use cases and applications, its adoption could expand beyond speculative trading to real-world usage, cementing its place as a prominent cryptocurrency. With 11.6 million PI now deposited on OKX, PiNetwork is signaling that it is no longer a nascent project, it is a growing force in the world of digital currencies. As Pi coin continues to evolve and attract attention from both investors and users, the network's future looks increasingly bright. The open mainnet launch is expected to be a game-changer, and this deposit into OKX suggests that the market is ready to embrace Pi as a legitimate player in the cryptocurrency landscape.